Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, Pisces. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here, Pisces. We have Chariot, Patience and Page of Earth. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Pisces, maybe if you are in the verge of making some important decision for yourself, guys, you need to hold on, wait, take time, because very soon you are going to get clarity, guys, in your situation. Maybe this may not be the right time, and you are someone who has clear plans, and you are someone committed, devoted to your work, or devoted to this person you love, and you are someone who is very practical, guys. So whatever you expect, or whatever you expect in your future, or whatever plans you have for yourself, it is all doable, and you are someone who does not expect some huge someone who has huge goals or huge aspirations, something unbelievable, but it is something down to earth, humble, maybe small, maybe, but it is something enough for you. So you are someone who is really a practical person who knows what will work and what is the right thing for you, guys. And you have faced a lot of experiences, guys, and you have learned so much in life, and today you are maybe you have faced and overcome some troubles in your life and learned so much. And today, maybe whatever troubles that you're facing in your life, maybe in your career situation or your relationship, whatever it is, you are simply going to succeed, guys. And you have that positive intention, or that happiness or contentment in your heart. That is what is attracting happiness and success towards you, guys, Pisces. So your happiness or your feelings of gratitude, thankfulness for your situation today, that is making a huge change in your life today, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career relationship, guys. Sorry, guys, this is for your relationship. We have Nine of Water. So I see happiness, contentment and joy in your situation, guys. All your dreams are coming true, and your wishes are going to be fulfilled, and whatever you expected is going to come true, guys, today, Pisces, in this relationship. Maybe you if you wanted to be engaged or married to this person, that is what is happening. And whatever you have done, your sacrifice and your efforts, all that is paying off today, guys. And that is the energy, guys. So you are going to have a very happy time with this person you love. That is the energy with this card, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Page of Air. So with this card here, again, guys, in your career situation, you are having new ideas, maybe new focus. Maybe you are interested to venture into something new, something interesting, something that is using your skills and talents. and you are starting on to that path, guys. Maybe it may be a second career path, but you are really confident about your your ideas, or your this new beginning that you are stepping into. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes. Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it is the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing, or whatever will be the right choice, will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly all right in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright, you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation. But in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something. some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.